This is also what I wear when men disappoint me.
Ever wanted to dress like your favorite star? Us too. I'm Ruby Karp. Me and my friends try on the most outrageous celebrity looks. This is the Dressing Room Challenge. Up first, Taylor at her first Country Music Awards with a handkerchief dress and, of course, cowboy boots.
Oh, I remember these belts.
Let me get my Billy Ray Cyrus boots on. It's me, Taylor Swift.
No, this is giving me very much Grandma's Last Rodeo.
This belt is very Hannah Montana.
She was like so awkward. She didn't know how to stand.
I remember going to a Taylor Swift concert when I was 8 and having rain come down as she sang, and I was like, well, that's a god right there. God is a woman.
This is not a timeless look, it's aged, honey.
This Taylor was my favorite Taylor and will always be the best Taylor.
Taylor looked fearless in this beaded, fringe dress she wore during her 2009 tour.
This is so fun. This should have been my prom outfit. I would have had way more fun.
This is Taylor Swift, just broke up with Joe Jonas. This is what you're missing, boy. Look at this.
Taylor, why? Why would you wear these boots with this dress?
Like, I remember being 13 and being like, I'm not even in high school yet, but I feel her so hard.
Thank you for this moment, thank you.
Taylor channeled her inner Victoria's Secret angel in this lacy little number for their annual fashion show.
This is also what I wear when men disappoint me.
Yes, Taylor, you did this, girl.
This cute little olay, like you can cover just if you want, but she doesn't want to.
How does she walk in a runway in these heels?
Oh.
I can barely stand right now.
The platform is freaking crazy.
I live for this, I die for this, I'm resurrected by this. This is the moment. She looked at herself in the mirror and she said, girl, I'm a star.
Look what you made her do! Taylor was seeing red in the sexy dress from the singles music video.
I love this. This is so powerful.
This is the kind of outfit that if somebody is talking about you, you want to like walk through the doors, like dramatically the doors bust open and you're like, oh, I'm sorry, did I interrupt? I'm sorry, what?
I understand now why Taylor Swift felt powerful enough to diss everyone who's ever wronged her in a music video now.
I got a list of names and yours is in red underlined.
I have nothing bad to say about this because this is a fantastic outfit. Great job, T Swift. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching The Dressing Room. For more videos like this, please subscribe to 17's YouTube channel.
Bye, y'all.